Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. My titling is what I've been working on, and more essentially, the background imagery for my titling. I thought it was going to have a nice bright blue, cloudy, sunny skyline imagery, but I discovered that was going to be too bright and would wash out my titles. I don't want it to be washed out too much where you just can't read them, that is. Now I'm going to be doing everything the old-fashioned way, shooting on film with my Bolexes and using a titler to create all that. So understanding this is nothing new, I had to think more and more and brainstorm on the idea of what the storyline of my film is about. Now again, I did think about this with my storyline and figure I had the best background for my titles, when in fact I've discovered after brainstorming that I have an even better background that won't wash out my titling and will focus more on the subject matter of my film. So for filmmakers, if you're just starting out, if you're brainstorming on the same idea I've been doing, do think about this. If you're filming something like that, it's a little too bright, it's going to wash out those titles, rethink it again. Give it a lot more thought, and this will finally come to you. What I've got in mind is the strong subject matter of my film will definitely be the background for the titles that'll be placed on it. So I'm looking forward to get that done. And the titles will be a separate thing being placed on there. Alright? Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos. Join our barter, buy and sell Morbid Team Entertainment group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.